Hi guys, I'm Krish Sripada, affiliate network marketer at sksripadareviews.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to present a review on Mints, which was being promoted by Daniel LNG on 1st September at 11 a.m. EST time. It's going to be launched. And in this review, I'm going to share with you the sales page and and also I'm going to tell you what is all this Mints about, and also I want to show you the members area where you'll be accessing this software, and also I'm going to show you what are the awesome bonuses you're going to get from my link, and also finally I'll be sharing with you the price and upsells that you're going to see with this product. So guys, this is Mints is a high converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages, blogs in 60 seconds in any niche you can create. And this I'm going to share with you first the bonus page. Okay, here you're going to see this Mints builds courageous, gorgeous websites, high converting funnels, landing pages, sales pages in any niche you like in just 60 seconds. Okay, that is, this Mints is useful. So what is actually, because as we know that good websites and landing pages are the backbone of any digital marketing campaign. Without these, visitors don't know what to do next. So that makes your website and landing page a driving force for conversions. But they can also take hours to build. So can be extremely expensive if you outsource those things, which will be roughly $1,000 or more. So without a doubt, you can, without a doubt, there's a good chance you are either using or want to use ClickFunnels to build beautiful sales pages and sales funnels. And for good reason, it's a great service. Okay, that is about the Mints, what it's going to teach you and how it is useful with this product. Okay, now let me show you briefly the sales page. This is the sales page. Okay, here my sincere request every time is, please go through the sales page and see the content, what is available in this thing, and what are the advantages you're going to make, and how the people who have tested with this method, how they are successful in their ventures. Everything you'll be knowing. Okay, and also the steps how to build, everything has been explained in this thing. And this is the place where once you are interested to buy, this is the place where you have to purchase the product. Okay, and you are going to see my bonus link under this video. Once you are interested, you can purchase through it, and everything is shown here how to access the product once you purchase it. Okay, so let me now show you the members area, which is very important. This is the members area, front end members area, where you will be seeing on the left hand side all the options and all the main options which will be explained through a video thing, and how this software you have to maintain and how you have to operate, everything is explained. Okay, let me show you the training. Okay, what kind of training is available? See, here what you're seeing is these are the product names. Okay, Latitude recently has been launched by John Armstrong and his team, and all the products from the Warrior Plus have been mentioned here, and the date of the launch and the vendor who has launched it. And here the actions what you'll be seeing is the sales page. Okay, where the people has to purchase sales page, and also the deals. What is this deals? Deals is will be showing you what are the upsells that made sales. So it will give you statistics of a particular product. What are how many of them are got sales? Like upsell number 1, how many sales, upsell number 2, the everything will be known. This is very important thing will be knowing very easily. So that is one major part. And here these are latest deals from Warrior Plus. So then what is latest deals from JVJU? Okay, what are the products and name and everything as it have. So this is about the thing, and the dashboard. Okay, that is what exactly in the earlier thing you're taken. And another thing is search offers. In the search offers, you'll be seeing three main things. One is JVJU, Warrior Plus deals, and clickback deals. Okay, so page builder. So page builder, what it does is landing pages. Okay, to create landing pages. Here, lot of landing pages is templates are being given. You have to choose and work it out. And opt-in pages is very useful. Opt-in pages have been given here. You can choose them and use it. And thank you pages, whatnot, everything, sign up pages, everything, all different types have been given here, which you can use for your purpose. Okay, so SMS campaign is there, email campaigns are there. If you have an email list, you can use by using the autoresponder thing. And moreover, see, these are the email campaign, email API settings, email campaigns, email templates, and email sequence campaign. This is how it has been designed, and you can easily can use these things. Okay, the main important thing is the traffic sources. Okay, in this traffic sources, you see, just you select a campaign, whether it's Facebook or Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, as or Quora, everything has been given. So this is an excellent and thing for our purposes. Okay, to promote our deals. And link cloaking. Okay, and you can do backlinks machine is there. That is, you can rank your thing. So using this thing, so this is very important. And moreover, keyword research also has been given along with this product. So this is, to my honest review, on this is an excellent product, and you can see very rapid results on your own. There is no need to outsource anything, and this is a very useful product for our thing. So let me show you the bonuses you're going to get along with this product. Okay, bonus number 1 is a hack which you're going to see beginner to master in ClickBank. So to master in ClickBank, this is a mastery course where to be each and everything will be explained right from the registering your profile in ClickBank, and you'll be seeing how to utilize the product description. Everything will be taken care in this, and this has been designed by John Armstrong. Bonus number 2 is another hack, which is a $200 per day on autopilot. Okay, that is to earn passive income, daily $200. This has been designed by John Armstrong, which is very useful to make money. And bonus number 3 is a hack using Instagram influencers. Okay, so here everything will be mentioned, the traffic sources you're going to get from Instagram, and each and every step is going to be explained, and this is very useful bonus, and this was designed by John Armstrong. Bonus number 4 is you can access the Fugo breakout. Okay, if you purchase within the first 12 hours. Okay, this is very useful bonus for the traffic source, and which was designed by John Armstrong. And the 5th bonus is a special bonus. If you take action today, okay, you can access all vendor bonuses. Okay, and this also so these are the bonuses you are going to get. And also there is a free training you can attend by registering your name and email address, which is given in the description box below. Okay, now to know about the price and upsells, I'll show you briefly. The front end cost of this product is $19, which you can get a downsell for $14, where you can access the powerful Mint software and training modules. Okay, and upsell number 1 is Mint Pro, which costs you $39, but you can get a downsell for $29. Upsell number 2 is done for you, which is $167. You can get for $97 as a downsell. Upsell number 3 is Mint's Club, $47, where you can get a downsell of $29. And upsell number 4 is Mint's Unlimited Traffic, which is $167, where you can get it for $97. And upsell number 5 is Mint's Enterprise, which costs you $47, but you can get a downsell for $37. And upsell number 6 is Mint's License Rights, which costs you $167, where you can get for downsell of $67. And upsell number 7 is Mint's Bundle, where you can get it for $30, and it is there is a downsell for $27. So this is the price and upsells, and the key points you're going to see with this is you can create unlimited pages for yourself and clients too, and unlimited commercial license and 30 reseller licenses. Create any type of pages and website within unlimited designs, and no domains or hosting required. Host all your websites, pages, and funnels on your fast server. Fully responsive and more mobile friendly, fast loading websites and pages. Is find your website and graphic designer, UV friendly, built for non-tech minded entrepreneurs and marketers. And if for any reason you don't see any results, you are bound to get back your money within 30 days of purchase, as money guarantee is available for this product. Okay guys, so this is all about. So Mints is a product where you can create gorgeous websites, high converting funnels, landing pages, software pages, whatnot. So many things you can do it. And at the same time, using this product, you can also design in landing pages for your clients, and you can make money out of it on Fiverr or any platform of designing thing. Okay guys, this is about it, and as I requested you, please go through the sales page when you have time. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for viewing my review on Pints, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.